Zobo drink is potentially one of the healthiest drinks in the world, depending on how you prepare it. And around Christmas time, this drink is a must around our home. For this recipe, we're going to be making use of these fruits: 2 small pineapples, 2 oranges, 1 lemon, some ginger, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. These are very essential if you want your zobo drink to be tasty. So this is my zobo leaf in the packet. Zobo leaf is also referred to as hibiscus flowers in some places. Some people refer to it as roselle leaves. This is dried and I got it off the internet, but please note that no matter how clean this thing looks, it is always dirty. To clean your zobo, you're going to fill a bowl with cold water and you're going to tip your zobo into that water. Don't do it the other way around because we don't want to lose too much of the pigmentation. We're going to lose some, but it's okay. And see the bottom of this bowl, how dirty it is. So please do this a few times until your zobo leaves are nice and clean. Please make sure to clean and scrub all your fruits very well. You're going to be making use of any veggie wash that you use. You can make use of vinegar, you can make use of baking soda, or you can make use of your special fruit or vegetable wash. Just make sure that you wash all your fruit thoroughly because we're going to be cooking with the skin on. I would like to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers for your amazing support, both old and new. Thank you so much for all your comments, for all your likes, for all your shares. I do really appreciate you guys. It's not been easy, but you guys have kept me going. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. After slicing all your fruits, it is time to proceed with the cooking. You're going to place your roselle leaf, your zobo leaf or hibiscus leaf into the pot, and you're going to be adding the skin of the pineapple, 2 cinnamon sticks, some ginger, your sliced lemon, your sliced oranges into the pan together. And next you're going to be topping it up with some water. Do not worry, the full list of ingredients and measurements are all in the description box as usual. Make sure to add your cloves in as well. I nearly forgot that. Then you're going to cover your pan. Bring your pan to a boil over high heat, and once it comes to a boil, you're going to turn the heat down and you're going to simmer on medium to low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. While that is simmering, you're going to come back to your pineapple. You can either juice it or you can put it in a blender like I've done here. Add some water into it and blend it. Now we have this paste, so what we're going to do next is to pass this puree through a strainer like I'm doing here. You can use a cheesecloth for this process, or you can use a juicer, whichever one works for you, just to extract the pineapple juice. At this point, your zobo juice is nice and ready, but you have to take out all these other things that we added into it. Just strain it out through a slotted spoon like this, or you can make use of a strainer. So these are all the other extras that I took out of it. Next, you're going to be adding back your pineapple juice for extra flavor and sweetness, and at this point your juice is ready. But because I'm serving this to children, I decided to add some sugar. Add your sugar or any other sweetener of choice while it's still hot, and then allow it to cool down and pass it through the strainer again. And there you have it, your delicious fruity zobo is ready. Best to be enjoyed cold You can also enjoy it as hot tea as well, there's no problem at all, but as a matter of preference, I just love to enjoy this very chilled or over some ice cubes. Super delicious and refreshing. I love to store my ZOBO in single bottles like this, and they will keep in the fridge for up to a week. Because I'm serving this ZOBO to kids and I do not want to serve it to them in glass bottles, so I did get these ice lolly bags, and I will be putting or bagging some of the ZOBO in these ice lolly bags and then going ahead to freeze them. So I did that, and I'll show you how I did the process. They were actually really nice and handy, and they're a better alternative to just sugar and water that the kids buy in the supermarket. These were actually a hit. They went so quickly. Kids loved it. Even the adults loved it. Even I enjoyed a couple of them, and it was just so nice and different. If you've watched this video up to this point, thank you so much. You are amazing. I am grateful for you sticking around. Please do not forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment as well. And there you have it. Finally, all the ZOBO lollies are ready, nicely bagged. I made this 2 days in advance and I froze them, and they were nice and ready when I needed them. The kids love them, adults love them, and they were gone in a matter of minutes. And I will be making this again. Let me know, have you made ZOBO lollies before? Or is this something new to you? Would you be trying this? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And I will be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.